Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you if Verizon 5G home internet is good for gaming. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we're talking specifically about gaming, one of the pros of the Verizon home internet is going to be its high speeds. Also, you can choose an internet plan on the website that will be most suitable for you. Now, let's talk about the speeds. So the 5G network offers high download and upload speed. It is the new standard that is the fastest wireless internet. So if you own a phone that supports 5G, you can buy a certain tariff from Verizon and use the benefits of the fast internet. As for the latency, 5G generally offers and provides lower latency compared to traditional 4G. So 5G is going to be very good, since we're talking about specifically the home internet, which is the cable internet. Also, this provider has no data gaps. So Verizon's 5G home internet service typically doesn't have data caps, allowing for unlimited gaming without worrying about exceeding the data limit. Now, the coverage and consistency is going to be good. The 5G coverage is still expanding, and the quality of service can vary depending on your location. So of course, Verizon is not going to be solely responsible for the 5G coverage. If you care about the actual wireless internet, that's going to be dependent on whether there's an actual 5G tower in your location. In conclusion, Verizon 5G home internet can be good for gaming. If you have strong coverage and you manage the placement of your routes, it's a viable option. It means that if you're planning on getting the actual 5G internet and not 4G internet, you will have to check the coverage. So that's basically all about Verizon 5G home internet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.